Okay, I'm gonna do another quick update. We've been getting temperatures in the upper 90s. Indexes are 106, 110. Humidity is 100%. We're getting quite a bit of rain in the afternoons. We haven't got any rain in the last 3 or 4 days. Peppers are starting to do good. Getting quite a few banana peppers. Haven't fertilized in a few days. Well, probably haven't fertilized in a week. I need to get out here and fertilize with some yeast water. My jungle cherry tomatoes are growing good. Had to put up this ribbon for the birds. I think sometime it works, sometime it don't. Basil's still doing good. I'm letting some of this basil go to flower because it's bringing in the pollinators. All the Ozark pink tomatoes are still growing in the 1-gallon pots. They still have tomatoes. They slowed down some because of the heat, but I've noticed that they're starting to put on more blooms. So we should get some more tomatoes before long. These don't get shaded that much. They're right on the edge of the shade cloth, which the shade cloth is 30%. So they're getting pretty much full sun. That's the garden. 1st of July. Things blazing hot. Fixing to plant out more peppers. Plant out a few more dwarf tomatoes for the fall. Got okra that I've got to plant out. Stay tuned for more.